Hi, today I'll be making a detailed comparison of Midjourney and dall-e 3. These are two powerhouses when it comes to AI generated art, and if you've ever thought about creating stunning images and concept art or even commercial visuals, you've probably heard of them. But in 2025, which one is truly the better option for generating AI images? Let's get started. Midjourney first burst onto the scene in 2022 and quickly set itself apart with its artistic, dreamlike, and often surreal style. Unlike many other AI tools that focused on realism, Midjourney carved out its identity by leaning heavily into creativity and artistry. It became especially popular among designers, digital artists, and marketers looking for visually striking pieces. Midjourney doesn't run in a traditional browser-based app. Instead, it operates mainly through Discord. You type in your prompt and the bot generates images for you inside the chat. That setup might feel unusual at first, but it created a unique community vibe where people could share prompts, showcase results, and learn from each other. Over the years, Midjourney has grown steadily, refining its algorithm and improving how it handles details, realism, and prompt accuracy, while still keeping the signature Midjourney look. Now, on the other hand, we have dall-e 3, which is OpenAI's third major iteration of their image generator. Unlike its predecessors, dall-e 3 is deeply integrated into ChatGPT, making it accessible not only as a standalone tool, but also as part of a wider ecosystem. One of its biggest breakthroughs is how well it understands natural language prompts. Earlier models often struggled with complex requests, but dall-e 3 makes it easier for anyone, even without prompt engineering experience, to generate exactly what they want. Plus, since it's tied into ChatGPT, you can have a back and forth with the AI to refine your images without constantly rewriting prompts. Now, let us talk briefly about the main features of both platforms. We start with Midjourney. It is Discord based. It has a Discord-based interaction with a strong community. There are multiple images variation and upscaling options. It is consistently artistic and has a great creative output. It supports advanced prompt engineering for fine control. What about the features of dall-e 3? Deep integration into ChatGPT for conversational image creation. It has a strong understanding of natural language, no need to be a prompt expert. It is excellent at realism and generating images that closely follow instructions. Easily accessible because it's available in ChatGPT and Microsoft products like Bing Image Creator. And it has safety guardrails to prevent misuse and to maintain ethical use of AI art. Now, what is the pricing of both platforms like? Midjourney works on a subscription model. There's a basic plan of $10 monthly, standard plan of $30, a pro plan of $60, and a mega plan of $120. Now, if you do an annual payment, you get a discount. Now, for dall-e 3, dall-e 3 is available as part of ChatGPT Plus subscription, which costs $20 per month. So to get access to dall-e 3, you subscribe to ChatGPT Plus. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For Midjourney, it produces consistently stunning artistic images. It is great for creative, surreal, or stylized work, and is powerful for professional artists, designers, and marketers. dall-e 3, the pros. It has a deep integration with ChatGPT, and that allows conversational refinement. It is extremely easy to use even for beginners, and it's quite affordable if you have a ChatGPT Plus subscription. What about the cons? For Midjourney, the Discord interface can feel clunky for new users, and there's less integrated editing tools compared to dall-e 3. How about the cons of dall-e 3? It can lack the distinct artistic flair of Midjourney. There's also limited community interaction or even no community interaction compared to Midjourney's Discord. So which one is better in 2025? Well, it really depends on what you need. If you're looking for a highly artistic, unique, and stylized visuals, something that looks like digital painting or professional concept art, then Midjourney is still the king. because it has a flair that's hard to replicate, and its community-driven platform encourages experimentation and creativity. On the other hand though, if your goal is realism, accuracy and simplicity, then dall-e 3 shines. Its deep language understanding makes it accessible for beginners, and its integration with ChatGPT makes refining images feel more natural. dall-e 3 is also a great fit if you're already subscribed to ChatGPT Plus, giving you both text and image generation in one package. And that's it on the comparison between Midjourney and dall-e 3. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Stable Diffusion, Adobe Firefly, and Runway Gen 3. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.